Welcome to the world of mini wooden projects, where creativity meets sustainability. In an era increasingly focused on eco-consciousness, artisans are discovering the beauty and potential of scrap and reclaimed materials. This journey into woodworking not only allows for the creation of unique home decor items, but also aligns with a growing movement towards environmental responsibility. Each project offers the chance to breathe new life into wood that might otherwise be discarded, transforming it into beautiful, functional art pieces. From rustic candle holders to intricate wall art, the possibilities are limitless, inviting both seasoned woodworkers and newcomers to explore their artistic abilities. As you delve deeper into this realm, you'll uncover not just the joy of crafting, but also the potential for entrepreneurship. Many wooden projects have become a lucrative business avenue for many artisans, combining the love of woodworking with the ability to generate income. By leveraging the appeal of reclaimed materials, these projects can attract a diverse audience seeking unique, handcrafted decor for their homes, restaurants, and hotels. Furthermore, the emphasis on sustainability resonates with consumers who are increasingly making purchasing decisions based on environmental impact. This guide will explore various aspects of woodworking, from crafting techniques to marketing strategies, equipping you with the knowledge to thrive in this rewarding field. If you're enjoying the content and want to stay updated on all things related to mini wooden projects and sustainable woodworking, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By hitting the like button, you'll help us reach more people who share our passion for creativity and eco-friendly crafting. Sharing this video with friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts can spark inspiration and foster a community of like-minded individuals. We appreciate your support and encourage you to stay tuned until the end of the video, as we have some exciting tips and projects lined up that you won't want to miss. Join us on this journey, and let's create something beautiful together. Woodworking has transitioned from a hobby to a thriving business model, particularly through the innovative use of scrap and reclaimed materials. Many wooden projects, such as small decor items, not only serve a functional purpose, but also allow artisans to express their creativity. By transforming leftover wood into beautiful pieces, woodworkers contribute to a more sustainable future while appealing to consumers who value craftsmanship and individuality in their decor choices. The appeal of reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood is prized for its unique aesthetic qualities. It boasts distinct textures, colors, and grain patterns that new wood simply cannot replicate. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries a history, giving it a character that resonates with buyers. This uniqueness makes it an attractive option for those seeking to decorate their homes, hotels, or restaurants in a way that stands out. The environmental benefits of reusing would further enhance its appeal as consumers increasingly prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. Crafting for home decor. Many wooden projects can significantly elevate home decor, offering versatile options to enhance various spaces. Items such as decorative trays, candle holders, and picture frames crafted from reclaimed wood can add warmth and charm to living areas. These projects not only beautify a home, but also allow homeowners to showcase their personal style. By creating functional yet artistic pieces, woodworkers tap into a growing market of consumers looking for unique home accents that reflect their individuality. Catering to hotels and restaurants. In the competitive hospitality industry, unique and thoughtfully designed decor can make a significant difference in attracting and retaining customers. Many wooden projects can be customized to fit the aesthetic of hotels and restaurants, providing a rustic charm or a modern touch, depending on the vision. From custom signage to bespoke furniture pieces, these projects can enhance the ambience of a venue. creating memorable experiences for guests. Collaborating with local artisans can also foster community ties and promote local craftsmanship, adding an authentic touch to the establishment. Profit potential in woodworking. The profitability of many wooden projects is rooted in their low production costs and high market demand. By utilizing reclaimed wood, artisans can minimize material expenses while creating desirable products. The growing consumer interest in sustainable and handcrafted items further boosts potential profits. By positioning these projects as eco-friendly and unique, woodworkers can appeal to a market willing to pay a premium for items that align with their values, thus increasing revenue and establishing a sustainable business model. Sustainability in crafting. Sustainability is a core principle that resonates with modern consumers. By choosing to work with scrap and reclaimed materials, woodworkers contribute to reducing waste and minimizing the demand for newly sourced timber. This practice not only supports environmental conservation, but also promotes a circular economy, where materials are repurposed rather than discarded. Artisans can emphasize the sustainability aspect of their projects in marketing efforts, attracting environmentally conscious customers who prioritize eco-friendly choices in their purchases. Marketing strategies for success. Effective marketing is essential for the success of many wooden projects. Artisans should focus on storytelling, highlighting the unique qualities of reclaimed wood and the craftsmanship involved in creating each piece. Utilizing social media platforms, such as Instagram and Pinterest, allows woodworkers to showcase their products visually and narrate their creative processes. Engaging content that emphasizes sustainability and personal connection can resonate with potential buyers, helping to build a loyal customer base that values the artisan's story and mission. Collaborating with local businesses. Building partnerships with local businesses can expand the reach of many wooden projects and create mutually beneficial opportunities. Collaborations with cafes, boutiques, and home decor stores provide platforms for artisans to showcase their work to a wider audience. These partnerships can also enhance community engagement, as local businesses often attract customers who appreciate supporting their local economy. Additionally, joint marketing efforts can amplify visibility and drive sales for both parties involved. A bright future for many wooden projects. The outlook for many wooden projects crafted from scrap and reclaimed materials is bright, as sustainability continues to gain momentum in consumer preferences. The demand for unique, eco-friendly decor items is likely to increase, providing artisans with ample opportunities to thrive. By harnessing creativity, implementing effective marketing strategies, and fostering community connections, woodworkers can transform their passion for crafting into a profitable and impactful business that contributes positively to society and the environment. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights into the world of many wooden projects and sustainable woodworking. If you enjoyed the content, please consider liking the video, sharing it with your friends and fellow enthusiasts, and subscribing to our channel for more exciting updates and creative tips. Your support helps us continue to bring you engaging content and connect with a vibrant community of crafters. We appreciate your time and look forward to sharing more projects and ideas with you in the future. Let's keep crafting together